Hello and thank you for watching this introductory video to LCF Archives as a part of LCF's Big Welcome programme. In this video I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the LCF Archives, what they are, what they hold, what you can use them for and how they relate to you. And hopefully from this point you'll be given a bit of a confidence boost to come looking for us and the kind of resources that we hold and to get involved. So you're probably wondering what the LCF Archives actually are. First and foremost, they're a resource that's available to LCF and UAL students and staff to inform or inspire your learning, your research, your practice, your progress, your creativity, and with some of our activities we have an angle or interest in working on your well-being too. What the archives actually are or how they do that is by hosting a set of archives and collections, each of which hold different fashion objects, each of which in turn tell their own stories. So that means that we collect things from the full fashion cycle. So we have fashion objects that relate to process and production, finished pieces, press and promotion, and the personal, which is really telling kind of personal and biographical stories about people through the clothes that they make or wear. We also look at the history of London as a fashion capital, whether that's through Savile Row suits or things to do with Selfridges and department stores and the kind of retail space of London and its history, or whether it's looking at LCF's own history as a set of different trade schools scattered across the city and how that influences the college and its work today. So what we hold is pretty varied. It might mean that if you're using one of our resources this year, you're looking at something related to, say, an orthopedic shoe for a sheep, or you might be looking at a couture gown, a handmade piece of tie-dye, or it could be an oral history from someone significant from the industry. So hopefully there's something of interest to everyone. You can either use it to really inform and illustrate what you're learning about. Let's say you're looking at a particular decade or period, it's quite important to look at the real thing if you can as a reference point. Or if you're looking for inspiration, it might be for new direction and ideas in your own design practice. This year you can get involved in LCF Archives through a variety of means that are coming remote to you in your home. For a start, I'm doing quite a lot of object-based teaching this year, so I might be popping up in your course soon, so I look forward to seeing you there if so. Otherwise, you can look at our different resource sites online. For instance, you can visit our SharePoint sites where you'll find folders of different activities and worksheets and podcasts and videos that we've prepared for you so that you can access our resources and objects from home and also find ways in which to apply those learnings using objects, so items from your own wardrobe and work at home too. Or you might go on our Moodle page where we'll have things like listings for our upcoming events and workshops that you might want to take part in online. We'll also post regularly on there for things like little object readings and profiles of pieces from our collections, and if there's any particular articles or podcasts that we're listening to that we think might help you in your learning and use of objects in your work too. Or if you want to get in touch with us, you can email us and you can also live chat to us every Wednesday afternoon. So there's a variety of ways in which to get in touch and to engage with the archives. You'll also hear more about those on LCF's own social media channels and through our LCF YouTube channel. So plenty of ways to hear about us, and I'm looking forward to working with you more. Again, just to reiterate, the point and purpose of the archives is to help you learn about different aspects of the fashion industry, but also to tell social stories within the subject of fashion and to inform and inspire your practice going forward. So, can't wait to meet you, looking forward to working with you, and thank you very much for watching.